Are you looking for the top 5 best lawnmowers for every yard? Which lawnmower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, American Lawnmower 1204-14. Let's kick things off with the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14. Priced at $89.99, this manual push mower caught my eye because of its eco-friendly design. If you want an affordable and quiet way to maintain a small lawn, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 4-blade reel mower has a cutting width of 14 inches, which makes it ideal for maneuvering around tight spaces. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's lightweight, making it easy to push around without tiring out. Plus, it comes with adjustable blade heights ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, letting you customize your cut based on your grass type. And the best part, it's manual, so it's pollution-free and perfect for those who care about the environment. Now, some people complained about the fact that it can struggle with taller grass. Here's the thing though, if you mow regularly and don't let your grass grow too long, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for those smaller yards where you want to keep things tidy without the noise of a gas mower. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want a simple, eco-friendly option. Skip this one if you have a larger lawn or let your grass get too long. For the price, it's a solid investment that helps you maintain your yard effortlessly. Now, if the manual aspect of the American lawnmower bothered you, product number 2, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K. Next up, we have the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K electric corded lawnmower. For about $107.99, it offers a mix of power and convenience that caught my attention. If you want to tackle your yard efficiently with less effort, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a powerful 11-amp motor, it delivers 3,300 RPM, making quick work of your grass. The 15-inch cutting width means you can cover more ground in fewer passes, and with 5 cutting height options from 1.4 to 3 inches, you can easily achieve the perfect look for your yard. Plus, the 7-gallon collection bag neatly stores clippings, so you don't have to deal with a mess afterward. Now, some users mentioned that the cord can be cumbersome while mowing. Here's the thing though, if you can manage your cord well, it's a non-issue. The power and efficiency this mower provides truly outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized yard and prefer electric power. Skip this one if you need absolute mobility without cords. For its price, it's great value for a reliable electric mower. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list,
product number 3, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Now let's talk about the Black & Decker electric lawnmower, weed eater, and edger 3-in-1 combo. At $79, it's a game changer for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. If you want one tool that does it all, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This unit combines mowing, trimming, and edging into one convenient package. The 6.5 amp motor delivers solid performance, and the 12-inch cutting width is perfect for small to medium lawns. With a lightweight design at only 9.9 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver. The automatic feed spool ensures that you can keep working without interruptions, which is a big time saver. Now, some users have noted that it's not as powerful as some dedicated mowers. Here's the thing though, if you have a smaller yard and need a compact solution, this combo is perfect for you. It effectively handles various tasks without needing multiple machines. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want a versatile tool that saves space. Skip this one if you have a larger yard that needs a more powerful mower. For its price, this combo is excellent value and simplifies yard work. Now, if you're looking for something more powerful and cordless, you'll want to...
Product number 4, Lawnmaster LMRM 1801. The Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 push reel lawnmower is up next, priced at $109.99. This caught my eye because of its environmentally friendly design and solid performance. If you want a manual option that's still powerful, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its scissor-like cut, this mower prevents tearing of grass blades, promoting a healthier lawn. The 18-inch cutting width means you can cover more ground efficiently, and with 9 adjustable cutting heights from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, you can customize your lawn's look. It's also designed for easy maneuverability with 10-inch front wheels, making it effortless to navigate around your yard. Now, some people found it a bit heavy at nearly 13 pounds. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the weight adds stability, and it really isn't a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you care about environmental impact and have a small to medium yard. Skip this one if you struggle with manual mowers or have very large.
Product number 5, Black & Decker MTC 220. Finally, we have the Black & Decker MTC 220, a 3-in-1 combo that includes 2 batteries for $169. If you want convenience and versatility in one package, this one's hard to beat. If you're tired of tangled cords and want freedom, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The MTC 220 offers a convertible design, allowing you to switch between a push mower, trimmer, and edger, which is fantastic for tackling various tasks around the yard. The automatic feed spool means you won't have to stop and adjust your line constantly. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, so you can keep going without downtime. Now, some users mention the battery life could be better. Here's the thing though, as long as you manage your tasks smartly, it can usually get you through a normal mowing session without issues. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile, cordless solution for your yard care. Skip this one if you have a very large lawn and need something more powerful. For its features, it offers great value and convenience. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly manual mower or a powerful cordless option, there's something here for everyone.
To recap, we've covered the American lawnmower for eco-friendly simplicity, the Lawnmaster MEB 1114 4K for efficient electric mowing, the Black & Decker 3-in-1 for versatility, the Lawnmaster LMRM 1801 for manual performance, and finally, the Black & Decker MTC 220 for cordless convenience. Depending on your yard size and needs, any of these could be your new go-to mower.